Yes, dear students, welcome to Diamond Group of Institution. Myself, Mr. Shivkumar sir. So this is the 11th class, dear students. 11th class. In the 10th previous class, we completed the example question, dear students, on this exercise 6.4. So here exercise 6.4. So we are going today. We are discussing about the 6.4, dear students. What is the question? So first multiply the binomials is there. In this bit, having the 6 questions are there. So I want to explain the 3 questions. Remaining 3 questions you will do the homework, dear students. Okay. Let us see the solution one by one, dear students. Okay. So here first question given. Look at the board. First question. 2x plus 5 bracket close and 4x minus 3 is there. So the multiplication of the binomial solution. What we can do here? Here first 2x in the bracket, 4x minus 3 is there, and plus 5 in the bracket, 4x minus 3. 2x in the bracket, 4x minus 3, and bracket close, plus 5 in the bracket, 4x minus 3. Here next, here 2 4s are 8, x into x square, plus into minus, 2 3s are 6, x is there. Here multiplication 2 4s are 8, x into x square, plus into minus, x into plus into minus, 2 3s are 6, x as it is. Plus into plus 5 4s are 20, x, and plus into minus 5 3s are okay. One more time, dear students. Here 2 4s are 8, x into x square, plus into minus, 2 3s are 6x, plus 5 4s are 20x minus 15. So next step here, 8x square, dear students, minus into plus is equal to minus. Minus into plus is equal to minus. We should be do the subtraction, but here is 20 is greatest property sign is plus. That's why we should be take here plus. 20 minus 6 is equal to what? Here 14x and minus 15 is our answer. Okay. So what is the question? I want to explain the one more time, dear student, this solution what I did here. Okay, so let us see once again solution. So what is the question? 2x plus 5 and 4x minus 3 is there, dear students. First you should be take the 2x in the bracket, 4x minus 3. This binomial I wrote here, and plus 5. 2x से भी इसको भी मल्टीप्लाई करना और 5 से इसको मल्टीप्लाई करना, plus 5 in the bracket 4x minus 3. Then 2 4s are 8, x into x square, plus into minus 2 3s are 6, x into 1 is equal to x, plus into plus 5 4s are 20, x plus into minus 5 is 15. So next here we should be here both are like terms are there, we should do the here subtraction or addition, dear students. So minus 6x plus 20x means minus into plus we should be do subtraction, but the greatest number is 20 is the 20 property sign is plus. So 20 means 68 the 14x, and the last one is minus 15 is as it is answer, dear students. I thought you understood first question. Okay, so similarly you should be do the second question. Now I want to explain the which one question number third मैं explain करने के लिए करूँगा. So what is the question number 3, dear students? Question number 3 is that what is the question? 2.5L and minus 0.5 m and 2.5L and plus 0.5 here. Okay, 0.5 here. Okay. So this is look at there, students. This is we can use a directly identity also is there. A minus b and a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. But we didn't study that identity. That's why we should do the directly multiplication. Okay, हम इधर a minus b, a plus b is equal to a square minus b square आइडेंटिटी भी हम यूज कर सकते हैं, लेकिन अभी आइडेंटिटी के बारे में हम स्टडी नहीं करें. इसके लिए हम क्या करना, डायरेक्टली मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, नाउ लुक एट सॉल्यूशन हियर. दिस इज 2.5L in the bracket here, 2.5L and plus 0.5 m and bracket close. Here minus 0.5 m and in the bracket here 2.5 L and plus another one 0.5 M here. Okay. So now here you should be taking 25, 25 is a 625. 25 square equal to 625. Here one digit, here total 2 digit before point. L into M is equal to L square. Plus into plus is equal to plus. 25 5 is a 125. Read like that. Point afterwards. 25 5 is a 125. Here one digit, here one digit. 2 digit before point. Here is 1.25. Next, L into M is equal to L. L into M is equal to L. Next, minus into plus is equal to minus. 0.5 into 2.5. 25 5 is a 125. Same. 2 digit before point. L into M is equal to L. Next, minus into plus is equal to minus. 5 5 is a 25. Means 0.25 M square. Here, 5 5 is a 25. 2 digit before point. Here 1 digit, here 1 digit. M into M is equal to M square. Then we should be do the here cancel. Plus 1.25 Lm minus 1.25 Lm. Both are get cancelled. So what is the remaining here, dear students? Remaining is 6.25 L square and minus 0.25 M square. This is our answer. Okay, I thought you understood, dear students. One more time I want to explain this solution. Look at the board, what I did here. This is 2.5 L minus 0.5 M, 2.5 L plus 0.5 M is there. Okay, so this is A minus B and A plus B is equal to A square minus B square. We can use. Okay, so that's why we can use, but we didn't study that identity. That's why we are doing the directly multiplication. 2.5 L in the bracket 2.5 L plus 0.5 M bracket close minus 0.5 M in the bracket 2.5 L plus 0.5 M. Okay, let us see. So now 25 25 is 625. Here one digit, here one digit. Total 2 digit before point. L into L square. Then plus into plus plus. 25 5 is 125. Here one digit before, here one digit before. Means 2 digit before point. L into M is equal to Lm. Minus into plus is equal to minus. 25 5 is 125. Here one digit, here one digit. Total 2 digit before point. L into M is equal to Lm. Minus into plus is equal to minus. 5 5 is 25. Here one digit, here one digit. Total 2 digit before point. M into M is equal to M square. Then here 6.25 L square is as it is. So plus 1.25 Lm minus 1.25 Lm both are get cancelled. So remaining are 2 are answer here. There is 6.25 L square minus 0.25 M square. I thought you understood this one solution, dear students. Let us go the which one. Fourth question I want to explain. So fourth question also very easy question is there. So what is the fourth question, dear students? Look at the board. Fourth question is what? A plus 3b. A plus 3b bracket close and x plus 5. X plus 5. Okay, same method. हम भी the same method follow करना चाहिए. You can take the this is first, yeah, this one. I am taking a x plus 5 and bracket close here plus 3b in the bracket x plus 5. So then here a into x is equal to ax plus into plus is equal to plus 5 into a is equal to 5 plus 3 into 1 equal to 3 b into x is equal to xb plus into plus is equal to plus and here 3 5 is a 15b. This is our answer. Directly we can do like that only. Okay, dear students. So answer I thought you understood very well. So what is the answer? Ax plus 5a 3xb plus 15b is there. So I explained to you first question, third and fourth explain. The remaining two questions are you do the homework. Okay, last sixth one question I want to explain this one. So this is this fifth one you do the homework. And I want to explain the sixth question, last question I want to explain to your students. Okay, I thought this is understood. So next we will go to the which one? Question number 6. What is given in the question number 6, dear students? 3 upon 4 a square and plus 3b square and here a square minus 2 upon 3 b square. So next, here 3 upon 4 a square in the bracket a square minus 2 upon 3 b square bracket close plus 3b whole square in the bracket a square minus 2 upon 3 b square. Now here directly multiplication, dear students, 3 by 4 into 1 equal to 3 by 4. A square into a square equal to a power of 4. Then these three both are get cancelled. Here 1 is there, 1, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So don't do like that. So do the multiplication, 3 by 4 and here 2 by 4. 3 twos are minus 3 twos are 6. 4 fours are 16. 3 twos are 6 and here 3 is there. 3 is there. 4 threes are 12. And a square into b square, a square, b square. Similarly, plus into plus, dear students, 3 ones are 3, a square, b square. Plus into minus, 3 twos are 6 by 3, b into b power of 4. So one more time, dear students, here. So 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. So what is the answer here? 3 upon 4 a power of 4 minus 1 upon 2 a square b square and plus 3a square and b square and minus 6 upon 3 is there, no? 3 ones are 3, 2s are. Answer came here 2b power of 4. Again we can do here, both are like terms are there. Here this is 3 upon 4 a power of 4 minus 1 ones are 1 a square b square and plus here 2 threes are 6 a square b square and upon 2 ones are 2. Next here minus 2b power of 4. Next last step here 3 upon 4 a power of 4 minus into plus minus 6 a square b square means 1 a square b square into 5 a square b square upon 2 and minus 2b square. This is the answer. Okay, one more time I want to explain this solution, dear students. Look at the board. This is 6th question. Here 3 upon 4 a square, this is a square minus 2 upon 3 b square I wrote and plus 3b square I took a square minus 2 by 3 b square. So इसको मल्टीप्लाई करें 3 by 4 a square into a square a power of 4. 3 twos are 6, 4 threes are 12, a square b square as it is. Plus into plus, 3 ones are 3, a square b square. Plus into minus, 3 twos are 6, 3 ones are 3 b power of 4. Then this is as it is. Here 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12 means 1 upon 2 a square b square and here 3 a square b square minus 3 ones are 2, 3 twos are 4. This is 3 twos are 6, 2b power of 4. Next here 1 into 1 is equal to 1, 2 3 is 6 upon 2 is there. दोनों को सिंप्लीफाई करें तो 5b स्क्वायर अपॉन 2, इधर का सेम है इधर का भी सेम है. ये आपका क्या हो जाएगा? आंसर हो जाएगा डियर स्टूडेंट्स. I thought you understood. 2 time I explained to you. In this bit having the 6th question, I explained the first question and 4th question and 6th question I taught you, and the remaining 2 questions you do the homework. Remaining how many are there? 5th one question, 3rd one question and 5th and 2nd question you do the 5th, 2nd and 4th question you do the homework. Okay dear students, let us go to the next bit. Yes dear students, come to the second bit. So what is the second bit? Find the product is there. In this bit having the 4 questions are there. I will explain the remaining 2 questions. Remaining questions we will do the homework. Okay. So here first question what is given? In the bracket 5 minus 2x bracket close and in the bracket 3 plus x is there. So I am taking 5 is outside. Inside is 3 plus x. So here minus 2x is separate. Here next 3 plus x is there. 3 plus x dear students. Now here then 5 into 3 is equal to 5 is a 15 plus into plus 5 into x is equal to 5x. Minus into plus is equal to minus 2 is a 6x. Minus into plus minus 2 into 1 is equal to 2 x into x square. One more time dear students. 5 is a 15 plus into plus 5 into x is equal to 5x. Minus into plus is equal to minus 2 3 is a 6 x into 1 is equal to x. Minus into plus is equal to minus 2 1 is 2 x into x is equal to x square. Then next step dear students here 15 and plus 5x minus 6x is equal to minus x. Plus into minus we should do the subtraction. Greatest number 6 is the property sign is minus. Answer get x and minus 2x square. Then we got the answer which one 15 minus x minus 2x square is our answer here student. This is the first question answer. I thought you understood very well. So let us go to the which one second question is there. So what is the second question you do and I want to explain the which one third question. Okay, third question is what is given. Question number third is there. What is the question here? A square plus b bracket close and a plus b square. A plus b square. Then here solution is there. Here a square in the bracket a plus b square. Then here plus b in the bracket a plus b square. A plus b square. Okay. Now here we are doing the multiplication. A square into a is equal to a cube. A square into a is equal to a cube. Power is 1. Power is 2 is equal to power 3. Plus into plus. Here a square into b square. A square, b square. Both are unlike terms. Plus into plus. A into b, ab. Then plus into plus. B into b power of 3. Check it. Now a one more time, a square into a is equal to a power of 3 plus into plus a square into b square plus into minus plus into plus b into a ab plus into plus b into b is equal to b cube. This is our answer. Okay, this is the second question. Third question is there. Very easy. I thought you understood the first question and third question. So remaining fourth one question is there. That is also I want to explain here. I want to do here only. This is fourth question I want to explain to you dear students. Explain to you. So now p square and in the bracket 2p plus q is there and bracket close minus q square and in the bracket 2p plus q is there. Okay dear students. Now here, so this is arrow mark. Here p square into 2p is equal to 2p cube. Plus into plus is equal to plus, then p square cube is the here. Minus into plus is equal to minus. Here 2 ones are 2. Here p cube square. 2p p square cube and 2p q square. Then minus into plus is equal to minus. Q square into q is equal to q cube. One more time dear students, look at the board. P square into 1 into 2 is equal to 2. P square into p is equal to p cube. Plus into plus is equal to plus. P square into q equal to p square cube. Minus into plus is equal to minus. 1 into 2 is equal to 2. Q square into p is equal to pq square. Minus into plus is equal to minus. Q square into q is equal to q cube dear students. I thought you understood this fourth question also. In this bit, having the fourth question, I explained to you three questions dear students. First one I explained and third one, fourth one I explained to you. I left only one question, that is the second question. Second question you will do the homework dear students. I thought you understood all three questions. First bit also you understood and the second bit also understood. Next we will go to the third bit dear students. Yes dear students, come to the third bit. This is the last bit in this exercise. 6.4 एक्सरसाइज में ये लास्ट बिट है बच्चों. इसमें 8 क्वेश्चन दिया गया है. मैं आपको अल्टरनेटिव ऑल ऑड नंबर का जो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, थर्ड क्वेश्चन एंड फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन एंड सेवंथ क्वेश्चन ऐसे मैं एक्सप्लेन करूंगा बच्चों. और बाकी सभी इवन नंबर का क्वेश्चन है जो आप सॉल्यूशन करते जाना बच्चों. ओके, सो नाउ हियर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इन द ब्रैकेट x square minus 5 bracket close in the bracket x plus 5 bracket close plus 5 is there. Okay, let us see. So I am taking first x square. I am taking here x square in the bracket x plus 5 and here minus 5 in the bracket here x plus 5 and afterwards plus 25. Okay, I thought you understood. This is x square in the bracket x plus 5 and minus 5 in the bracket x plus 5 bracket equals plus 25 is there. Then next dear students, here x square into x is equal to x cube. X square into x cube plus into plus x square into 5x. Understood? Then dear students, minus into plus is equal to minus 5 into x is equal to 5x. Sorry dear students, I did here a mistake. One more time repeat. X square into x is equal to x cube, plus into plus is equal to plus, 1 into 5 is equal to 5, x square into 1 equal to x square, minus into plus is equal to minus, 5 into x is equal to 5x, and minus into plus is equal to minus, 5 5s are 25. Then here plus 25 is there. One more time, repeat dear students. X square into x is equal to x cube, plus into plus is equal to plus, x square into 5 is equal to 5x square, minus into plus minus, 5 into x 5x, minus into plus minus, 5 5 is 25, plus 25 is as it is. Then here dear students, minus 25 plus 25 both are get cancelled dear students. So what is the balance here remaining? Remaining is what? Here x cube plus 5x square and minus 5x is our answer. Okay, this is our answer dear students. I thought you understood very well. Okay, this is the first question. I thought you understood very well. Now let us go to the second question dear students. First question you understood. Now I want to explain the third question. First question I did, second question you do the homework. I am writing the second question on the board. Second question also I want to write the board. Second question is like that is there. Which one? A square plus 5 and here b cube plus 3 bracket close plus 5 is there. This question you will do the homework. Okay. Now third question is there. Third question I am writing on the board. Third question I want to do the solution. Second question you will do the homework. Third question is what dear students? Here t plus s square, t plus s square into t square minus t square minus s dear students. Very easy is that. Second question you do the homework. Now we are going to the third question dear students. Okay, look at the board. Here I am taking this first t is outside, inside is t square minus s and another one plus s square in the bracket t square minus s. Okay, what I did here dear students, t into t square minus s and s square plus s square into t square minus s dear students. Okay, now here t into t square is equal to t cube. Plus into minus minus, s in t into s is equal to st, right? Plus into plus plus, s square into t square equal to s square and t square, plus into minus minus, s square into s is equal to s cube. This is your answer. Okay, I thought you understood. One more time I want to explain this solution dear student. Third question very easy is that. Okay, so t plus s square bracket close, t square minus s is there. This t I took the here and in the bracket t square minus s plus this s square in the bracket t square minus s dear students. Now t into t square, sorry t cube plus into minus minus, t into s st plus into plus plus, s square into t square is equal to s square t square plus into minus is equal to minus, s square into s is equal to s cube. I thought you understood this question. Okay, so now I want to explain the fifth question dear students. Fifth question is very easy is there. Now let us go to the fifth question. Yes dear students, come to the fifth question in this bit. Third bit, fifth question is there. So I am leaving the second question आई लेफ्ट द सेकंड क्वेश्चन एंड फोर्थ क्वेश्चन मैंने छोड़ चुका हूँ। मैं आपको फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन एंड थर्ड क्वेश्चन एक्सप्रेशन किया था, अब फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन एक्सप्रेशन करूंगा और सेवंथ क्वेश्चन एक्सप्रेशन करूंगा। आप क्या करना चाहिए, सेकंड क्वेश्चन, फोर्थ क्वेश्चन और सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन और एट्थ क्वेश्चन, आप 4 क्वेश्चन आप होमवर्क करना, 4 क्वेश्चन होमवर्क करना, 4 क्वेश्चन मैं एक्सप्लेन किया हूँ। आई थॉट आप सभी के पास जो रीडर है बोल के मैं समझ लेता हूँ। ओके, चलो लेट्स कम टू द सॉल्यूशन हियर। सो फर्स्ट we should be take this is x in the bracket 2x plus y, इससे a दोनों। नेक्स्ट प्लस y, इसको एक ब्रैकेट बना लो, प्लस y इन द ब्रैकेट 2x plus y, ब्रैकेट क्लोज, एक ब्रैकेट हो गया। ये दोनों का मल्टीप्लिकेशन इसके अंदर चल रहा है। नेक्स्ट हियर प्लस here x in the bracket, here x minus y, and here plus 2y in the bracket x minus y, bracket close। तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हम इधर क्या कर रहा हूँ, इधर एक ग्रुप है और इधर एक ग्रुप है। This side also 2 binomial and this side also 2 binomial, dear students। Okay, now multiplication here x into 2x, 2x square, plus into plus, plus x into y, xy, plus into plus, plus y into 2x, 2xy, plus into plus, plus y into y, y square। This is 1, इसका अंदर का मल्टीप्लिकेशन होगा। और इधर प्लस x into x, xy, plus into minus, minus x into y, xy, plus into plus, plus 2 into 1, 2 x into y, xy, plus into minus, minus 2 1 are 2 y into y, y square। This is the second one। Okay, now dear students, here simplification, here 2x square plus x square, one more time 2x square and plus 1 time xy plus 2 time 3 time xy, and here plus y square as it is, and plus this is x square minus xy plus 2xy means plus xy, minus xy के अंदर 1 time xy के अंदर 2 time xy गए तो 1 time xy आएगा, और minus 2y square। The next step 2x square 1x square, answer is 3x square, plus into plus is equal to plus 3xy xy, ये खत्म हो गया, ये भी खत्म हो गया, और ये is equal to 4xy plus y square minus 2y square, means minus y square is our answer, minus y square is our answer। I thought you understood very well, dear students। So this is the our solution। So one more time, ये दोनों को इधर मल्टीप्लाई किया मैंने यहाँ, और ये दोनों को इसमें मल्टीप्लाई किया, और उसके बाद सिंप्लीफाई करें। सिंप्लीफाई करने के बाद दोनों का आंसर इधर आया। लाइक टर्म को हम क्या करना, एडिशनल सबट्रैक्शन करना, पहले तो आंसर क्या आएगा 3x square plus 4x square minus y square, आंसर आएगा dear students। Okay, so next, so here I explained to you fifth question and seventh and eighth question I want to write on the board। आप क्या कर लेना, उसका सॉल्यूशन कर लेना dear students। seventh question I thought seventh question I want to explain, dear students, that is after the next period। So dear students, fifth question, what first question, third question and fifth question I explained to you, seventh and eighth question I will explain the next period dear students। I thought today we want to come to the, हम ये एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट करने के नज़दीक आ चुके हैं बच्चे। सो बाकी 2 क्वेश्चन है, वो बाकी 2 क्वेश्चन मैं आपको नेक्स्ट पीरियड में एक्सप्लेनेशन करूंगा डियर स्टूडेंट्स। आज के जो पढ़ाए हुए सॉल्यूशन में, प्रॉब्लम्स में या दिए गए होमवर्क में आपको कंफ्यूजन रहे तो कंफ्यूज रहे तो आप क्या करना, आप कॉल करके भी पूछ सकते हैं डियर स्टूडेंट्स। टुडे आई वांट टू स्टॉप हियर ओनली इन दिस क्लास। मैं सोचता हूँ कि आप सभी होमवर्क कर रहे हैं बोल के समझ लेता हूँ। होमवर्क कीजिए और जो होमवर्क के लिए दिया है जो क्वेश्चंस, वो क्वेश्चन पहला फर्स्ट आप रफ बुक में प्रैक्टिस करके आंसर देखिए। आंसर आने के बाद आप क्या कीजिए, होमवर्क के अंदर ऐड करते जाइए बोल के बोलते मैं आज का क्लास यहाँ ही समाप्त करता हूँ। थैंक यू डियर स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू वन एंड ऑल।